Okay, guys, listen to me. Please start with your camera. Here we go. Maria, how are you, Maria?
I'm good.
Yes. Sebastián, Diego Amador, Gabriela, Gabriel, please. Your camera. So, guys, I'm gonna show you the video, right? The one that we'll start watching, right? In order you to answer all your questions, right? In case you have, right? Because if you don't have questions, it's okay. Can you see my display or not? Pay attention to the video, guys.
Yes, mister.
Pay attention then.
How is dividing by a fraction related to multiplication? Think about this question during the lesson. If a bottle of liquid plant food contains 3 cups, how many plants will you be able to feed? Explain why your answer makes sense.
Angela, pay attention.
What do you know and what do you need to find?
Maria, pay attention. Andrea Montserrat, pay attention to it. Right? This is the problem that we just solved, right?
You know that each bottle holds 3 cups of plant food, and each plant takes 1/8 cup. You need to find how many plants can be fed from a bottle of plant food. So you need to find how many eighths are in 3 cups. 3 divided by 1/8 equals.
So,
Why can you use 3 divided by 1/8 to solve this problem?
do you know the answer? You know this answer, guys?
24.
24.
Listen to the question that she is asking. Why? Why can you use 3 divided in 1/8 to solve this problem? Why, guys?
Because there are 3 cups and
Yes, 3 cups.
then we
And
1/8.
1/8.
Yes, and then you use 1/8 cups per plant. Each plant needs 1/8, right? Good job.
You have 3 cups to divide into equal parts with 1/8 cup in each part. How many 1/8s are in 3? Use a model and multiplication to solve. How does the model represent the problem?
Now we have
The
another.
model shows 3 holes, each divided into eighths. Since there are 8 eighths in each hole, there are 3 times 8 equals 24 eighths in 3 holes. So 3 divided by 1/8 equals 24. The plant food can feed 24 plants.
And how many plants can we?
24.
Yes, of course. And then we have an exercise here, right? Get ready with your notebook, please. Get ready with your notebook. Yes, are you ready with your notebook? Because here we have some.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
right.
Does the answer make sense? Do 24 eighths equal 3? Use multiplication to check. 24 times 1/8 equals 24 eighths equals 3. Yes, 24 eighths equals 3, so the answer makes sense. Why can you use 24 times 1/8 equals 3 to check?
Why? Why can you use 24 times 1/8 equal 3 to check? Can you explain it this, guys? Why? Why, guys? You don't know? Because at the end of the fraction, at the end, right, you got a fraction, right? When you do the multiplication, and you write the answer, right, of the division. In this case, it is 24 over 8. Yes? And this is the answer of the division you got. Right, Gustavo? Are you paying attention, Gustavo, or not?
According to the relationship between multiplication and division, 3 divided by 1/8 equals 24 if and only if 24 times 1/8 equals 3. In other words, the division equation 3 divided by 1/8 equals 24 is true because the multiplication equation 24 times 1/8 equals 3 is true. The inverse relationship between multiplication and division applies to fraction computation too. Now you know how dividing by a fraction is related to multiplication.
So, are you sure that that you know that how fractions are related to multiplication? Do you have question in this, guys?
Yes.
Do you have questions?
No, I understand.
It's clear. So let's continue then. Let's start working in page, no, these problems. Let's start working these problems, right? This is page
542.
okay. Number 13. Start working. Start working, guys. You have to solve this. Then share the answer. Diego Samuel, are you working?
Yes.
Write and solve a division equation to find the number of 1/3 pound hamburger patties that can be made from 4 pounds of ground beef. How many parts can you do with 4 pounds?
Mister, I know the answer. Mister, I know the answer.
The answer. What's the answer, guys?
12. 12.
12. And how can you prove this? 12, it is equal to what?
1/3.
12. Would you please tell me the answer? Oh, the representation. How many holes we have? 4. Yes? Yes or no? And then divided in how many? 1 over what?
1/3.
1/3. Yes? And that is equal to
12.
12. Right? And or if you do the representation, it is 12, right? Times 1/3. That is equal to, which is the answer of this multiplication?
3.
3.
4.
4. Yes. That's 4. Right? Because how many times 12 or 3 fixed in number 12? 4 times.
4 times.
The answer. As we have it here. The same answer you have to have in all the exercise. 4 divided in 1/3 is equal to 12, or 12 times 1/3 is equal to 4. Yes? Let's continue then. 14. Number 14.
I finish.
Which is the answer?
Yes, is 16.
16? Yes,
16.
that's the answer. That's
16.
Yes, of course. So finish this page. Finish this page, please. Everyone working in this page, finish them. You finish? Did you finish, guys, or not? Not yet.
No, mister. I am in 16.
Okay.
17. I am in 17, mister.
I am in 18.
Good job. Are you sure that you don't have questions, guys?
No, it's easy.
Sir, I don't understand. Are the exercise 17?
17. Oh,
Yes.
what do we have to do? A restaurant, church, 3 and 15. In 50, right? For a slide of 5. That is 1/6. Yes? And $3 for a slide that is 8 of a pie. Yes? One day they baked 5 pies, all the same size. If they sell all the slices, they make more money by slicing each pie into 6 or 8? How much more? Explain. So when they have, right? How the first one that it costs, right? 3 and 50. The slide, right? How would you represent this? That is 1/6 of pi. 1/6, right? Of pi. This one is the one that costs 3 and 50, right? Yes or no, guys? Dollars. And the other one that it costs $3. How many parts do they do with the other one? 1/8, right? Yes. So now that we have all that we identify, right? The fraction that we have, right? Let's read the question. One day they baked 5 pies, all the same size, right? So it means that we will have here, like for example, in the first one, we will have 5, yes,
As a whole number.
as a whole number, right? That is 1/6, yes? And in the other one, we will have the same, 5, yes, divided in 1/8, yes? It means that here we will have two answers, right? And then, if they sell all the slices, would they make more money by sliding each pie in 6 or 8? Vamos a ver. Where do they sell more slices? How more?
I think that by 8.
Sorry?
By 8.
Okay. Why? Because which is the answer of the first one?
30.
30.
Okay. It means that they sell 30 slices, right? And then you
40 slices.
40. Oh, that's it, right? It says, because we have to answer this question, right? If they say slices, would they make more money by slicing each pie into 6 or 8? When you
Into 8.
and how much more? How much more?
10.
10. Yes. So which one would be the answer? And how
8.
answer this question? They will sell more with 8, right? 10 more, right? Now, do you understand, Angela? ¿Entendió, Angela?
Yes, mister.
So are you clear with this? Okay. Now, let's share the exercise, the previous exercise. Like, for example, 16. Khaled, could you please share with us number 16? Who is wrong in this answer?
Both are the same, Mr. Yours. Pick the 0.
What's wrong in this exercise, guys? In this exercise, in this division?
Timothy.
Timothy is wrong, right? Yes. So, number 15, Maria.
Use the number in multiplication equation. 20 times 170 equal to 4. Write a division equation in solving.
Okay. Then they tell us, right? And they give us, right, the proof. But we have to find which is the equation of division we have worked here.
The
Which,
answer is 28, Mr.
no, the answer of this one.
28.
Yes, I know that it is 28.
Mr. The answer is 4. 1 over 7 equal 28.
1 over
7.
The answer is 4 divided
Wow.
1 over 7 equal 28.
4. Yeah. 4. Yes, right? Because 7 times 4 is equal to 28.
Yes.
And then it means that he starts with the multiplication, right? Good job, guys. Excellent. I really like that you understand this topic, right? Gustavo, could you please share number 14 with us? Gustavo?
Mr. Gustavo can talk with
Okay.
the microphone.
Can
I say, Mr.
Mr. I want.
Okay, Glennis?
8 divided by 1, 2 equals 16.
16. That's the answer, guys. Excellent.
Yes, this is the answer.
Are you sure that questions?
Yes.
Okay, so in order you don't have homework, para que no tengan tareas para the math from today, we're gonna start solving these exercises,
I finish.
right? And then we're gonna share with the rest of the class, right?
Mr. I finish. Finish.
And this one? Thank you.
No.
So start working in page, and these 2 pages, right?
Okay.
Right, and then we have this exercise, but remember that this one you have to represent. You don't have to write just the answer. You have to represent as the one that we have first here. Yes?
We have to use models.
You have to use model. That's the idea of this topic, right? And this one you have to use model. So you have to show me your models. Yes? So start working. You have to show me your models. and I see everybody working. And I want to see everybody working.
Mister, if we finish the 2 pages, we don't have homework of math.
Yeah. Right. Actually, we have to finish to prepare the answer, right? And then you will have math homework today.
Woo!
Did you finish?
Yes.
Yes. Sebastián, did you?
Mister,
Andrea, did you finish?
no.
Ángela, porque estoy viendo un montón de cámaras apagadas, guys.
No, ya no está apagada, Miss.
I will count until 3. 1, 2, Andrea, Montserrat, Leticia, your camera. Leticia, are you in the class or no? Diego Amador.
I finished, Mister.
Finish? Okay, let's start discussing this page first, right? So, Miguel Avila, number 1, which is the answer?
18.
18. Yeah. Diego Samuel, number 2?
16.
16. Yeah.
Mister.
Angela, number 3?
21.
Angela?
Work
¿Qué?
Angela, it is Angela here.
321. Number 321.
Yeah.
Yes.
1. Number 4.
Sí, Mister, acá estoy.
Gabriela?
Me.
Gabriela? Number
Sí, Mister.
I want to participate.
Okay, good job. So, Diego Amador, number 5.
Number 5.
Yes?
24.
Yes, 24. Then Andrea Lari, number 6.
16.
16, yeah. Teresa, number 7.
36.
Okay, good job. So, let's continue with the other page then. Start solving all these problems. Remember that you have,
Mister,
we have to use what, guys? What do we have to use? Models, right? We have to
Yes.
use models. So, start solving
Mister, I have the answer of number 1.
of number 1. Which is the answer?
5 divided by 1 over 9 equals 45.
Yes, of course, that's the answer. So start working with the rest.
I finished.
All of them, did you use model?
Yes.
Did you use all the models? Okay,
Yes.
let's wait for the rest of the class then.
Mister, in page 543, I finished.
Could you repeat again, Maiden?
And
I finished at page 543.
You finish all of them?
Yes.
Okay, let's wait for the rest. Okay, but you have to solve 44 también. Did you finish? Did you finish, guys?
No.
Listen, guys, I don't know if you checked, right, the agenda. Did you check it? About the homework?
Yes.
Yes.
Remember that you have to do your homework. Yesterday, I was checking and just that 13 students did the homework of reading. So you have to do your homework, guys.
Mister,
Do your homework.
mister,
Tell me,
sí, mister, esa yo la hice, solo que no la pude subir por la plataforma ni enviarla.
okay, but you have to do it. You have to do it because
Ahí la tengo. Ahí la tengo. Mister, you say the quilting project.
yeah, the quilting project.
Ah, okay.
Yes, of course, because
Yes, mister.
you have to
Ahí lo tengo.
listen to me. You have to take advantage
Mister,
of a few homeworks, right? And what happens if you accumulate all the homeworks? At the end, you have a lot of work, right?
And you don't gonna rest.
Yes, of course. It is better do it one by one. Yes, at the time that the teacher tells you.
Mister,
Tell me,
Mister.
tell me. Angela, tell me.
Now, do this, and I submit as a class. And are these are looking.
If you, si la subieron, no hay problema. I'm talking with the people who didn't do it. Yes? Did you finish, guys? Did you finish?
Mister, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Wait, mister, I am in 12.
Yeah, well, Glennis, wait.
Mister, wait.
We have just 5 more minutes, and then you are free to go. Yes? So, number 8. Which is number 8?
45.
45?
Mister, pero Miss Bad Miguel already say it.
Yes. And remember that here we have the,
Hey, mister.
you have to say which is the division.
The answer is 5 divided
5,
1 over 9.
1 over
9
no.
equal
Yeah.
44.
Okay.
45.
Yeah. Number 9. A square has a side length of 6 and 2 centimeters. Which is the perimeter of the square? Which is it? Which is it, guys? Did you solve this one? Did you solve it? Did you do it? Number 9. Did you do number 9, guys? Or not? ¿Lo hicieron o no, guys? Okay. Number 9 and number 11 will be your homework, right? Because you have to think in these 2 exercises, right? This one will be your homework, these 2 exercises. Just these 2. Yes? Let's work with number 10. Did you finish number 10? What's the answer of number 10?
The answer is 40.
Right? And about number 12? What's the answer of number 12? Do you have the answer? Number 12?
Mister is equal to 40.
Number 12. Which is,
Yes.
okay, a company donate 5 acres of land of the city, to the city, right? How many more small garden plots would fit in the land that medium garden plots explain? Here you have the small, medium, and large, right? It means that you have to solve all of these fractions divided in 5. Yes, did you do it?
Yes.
Okay, did you tell me the answer of the 3? The small, medium, and large.
30.
The answer of the small is 30.
And the medium?
20.
20.
20. And the other one?
16.
Which one? 15.
Yes.
Okay, now you have to answer the question. How many more small garden plots would fix in the land that medium garden plots?
10.
10?
30.
30?
And more.
Mister no escuchaba.
15.
15? Okay, guys, good job.
20.
Excellent, guys. So, and then this is a Andrew. Draw a model that determines how many 8 are in 5. How many 8s we have in 5?
40.
40.
40. So, describe Andrew word by writing division equation.
5 divided by 1, 8.
Which one?
1 over 8. 5 divided by 1 over 8 is equal to 40. And
Using
for
fraction,
B,
5
3 times
divided by
divided by 1 over 8 equals 40.
equal 40. Yes.
And in part B is 40 times 1 over 8 equals 5.
Yes, and using multiplication equation would be 40
Times 1 over 8 equals 5.
over 8. It is equal to
5.
5.
5.
Yes. So, guys, are you clear with this topic?
Yes, Mister.
Yes.
Okay, I think that you are clear because you solved the homework, right? And I feel happy about this. Yes. So the only homework you have is exercise 9 and 11.
11.
Yes. So we will stop here, and I'm gonna see you in reading class that is 9.5.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Breakfast. Yes.
Yes.
For reasons right now. Okay. I will see you all at 9:30.